Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Kesri from Sanjay Gandhi PGI, Lucknow. This is my analysis of the corona cases of last 3 to 4 weeks. So if we concentrate after the lockdown, the cases were not more than 1100, but and the deaths were only 22. In the first week of the lockdown, the cases started increasing and we have 200 cases for 3 days, and then the average has shot up to 600. So in the first week, 28 March to 3rd April, there was 1.9 time increase, and it means 2 time increase. In the next week, the average was still 500 to 600, but the cases were increased by 2.1 times. So the cases which were 2172 increased to 4539. At the same time, the death percentage, which was 2.944%, has increased to 3.3%. In the third week, we have really got increase in cases, but in the 1 week, the cases increased by only 1.5 times, which is a lesser number of increase than the last weeks. But again, the number of cases has shot up to 6,752. When we go to the fourth week, we have really increased the cases to 2013, 1500, 1200, and 1418. So we are increasing week by week, but the doubling rate is slow, and every week the doubling is getting slower and slower. This is the India's story, and we know that all over the world more than 25 lakh people are affected by coronavirus, and the Indian number is around 18,500 at this point of time. Coming to the why this there is a difference is because of the states in India. So if we see, this is the TIO data of today, if we see that the states in the red are mainly Gujarat, MP, and West Bengal, Maharashtra, and UP. So here the cases has increased slowly, but the graph is going down, and the cases in green are Kerala, Odisha, and Haryana. We have done really well to decrease the number of cases week by week. So the condition is better in Kerala, Odisha, Haryana, and Punjab. And to note that these all states got the cases earlier, so they were early, and the Gujarat, MP, UP, and West Bengal got the cases a little later, so their peak is seen, but they will decrease soon. So what is the good point and what is the bad point about the coronavirus at this point of time for India? So if we compare with the world, in India, the death rate is 3.2%, case fatality rate of the number of cases, which is 13% in Italy and 12% in France. In US, it is 5.4%. So the death rate is constant over the epidemic of 4 weeks. But coming to the other points, what is there a light at the end of tunnel? The simple average was 500. So if you see this peak, which is there, and this peak, it is increasing, but we have come to a higher level. After this, if the peak comes down to here up to 500 and 600, then we can think that we are on the lesser side of plateau. The epidemics are like mountains. They have an increase of cases, they will reach a peak, and then they come down, which is seen in cases in Italy, Russia, and France. So US is on the top of epidemic, but it will eventually come down. At the same time, the number of cases which are improving in India is quite high, and more than every week, more than 2 times the patients are recovering, and more than 80% cases are asymptomatic. So we should not be worried. We should take care of ourselves, wear masks when we go outside, but at the same time, take care of washing the hands, maintain physical distancing, not the social distancing. And how is the government readiness? So the government has already prepared more than 1 lakh beds. So we are well prepared for the epidemic. So the lockdown can be opened after the 3rd May in selected area where the cases are not more, like the lockdown can be opened in cases like Kerala, Odisha and Haryana, Punjab and Tamil Nadu after 3rd, but it should be gradually opened in cases like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, so that the hotspots can be covered well and we are well prepared. The failing economy rate, the failing economy is a matter of concern, so we should open up slowly and see how the infections goes away, because the government has well prepared with more than 1 lakh bed all over India, so we did not need to worry about it. We have to see that how the infection goes in the next 2 weeks. I will update about the 2 weeks later. Thank you very much.